Hello everyone, welcome to EzzyCann. Actually, I bought these AirPods for $15. I bought it from Aliexpress. Actually, it was advertised as AirPods black and white. I bought the white version, not the black version. Even though the box looks like it's a black version, I think it's white inside. Let's open and see the AirPods.
You ever felt?
Damn.
Here we go. It's white in color. It has a plastic over it. Let's keep the box aside. Let's see what's inside this portion. I probably think the charging cable is inside. Okay, yeah, it's a lightning cable. It's a very cheap lightning cable. Okay, let's keep aside and take the AirPods. It looks heavier, the AirPods. It looks legit, and there are some manuals. Everything is in Chinese. Let's keep aside. There's some tag on QC Pass, so there's a plastic cover over it. Let's remove the plastic cover. Then here we go. Here's the AirPods. It looks exactly the same as the Apple one. Even the weight looks the same. Okay, let's see. I don't think. Let's check whether it has any charge or not. I'm using another phone. I'm using an iPhone 6s Plus to test out this. Okay, let's try to on. I think the button here, we can use this button to on. Opening the AirPod, there's a magnet inside. Similar to the original one, the magnet pulls the buds inside whenever you bring it near to the AirPod. Okay, let's put them inside and try to connect to a phone. I don't think there's any charge on the AirPod. Let's charge it. I think we have to charge it first. Let's charge it, then try it out. Okay, I'm not using the cable which came with it. I'm using an Apple cable to connect to the AirPods. Okay, you can see the light which turns on, which means it's charging. Okay, okay, the light blinks when I open the cover. Okay, let's connect to the phone and try it out. Okay, let's go to settings, then go to Bluetooth and let it search. Then there's Oppo Reno 2. I don't have an Oppo phone. I'm not sure where it's from. Maybe my neighbor. Then I'm keep pressing. There's no sign of power here. I cannot find it. Let's open the cover and try it. Let's open the cover. Oh my god, here it is. Not your AirPods. Connect. Let's click connect. Okay, it exactly works like Apple AirPod. Okay. Okay, I click on AirPods. I select the AirPods. Okay, connected. Okay, it's connected. Okay, let's. Okay, I closed it. Open it again. Here it is. It works exactly like the AirPods. You close and you open. It shows the power for the charger, which means the cover, and it shows the power for the buds AirPods. So it shows the power or the battery level separately. You can see 90% for the AirPods, 70% for the cover. Okay, let's try to play some music and see how it goes, how the sound quality and everything. Let me go to browser and open YouTube. Sound quality from the AirPods which I recorded using the sound recorder on my ears. Okay, what do you think? Just $15. Do you think this is worthy? I think exactly it works. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for watching this video.